I go on and on. I've been an Eagles fan since the day I was born. Let's go. Saquon, the American dream. We got it in the bag since he on the team. Let's go. Let's hunt. Yo, Hurst play ball. They love to hate, but that's not okay, y'all. That's not okay. It's the return to Brandon Graham. I'm too lit. Three-peat. I bet them Chiefs ain't gonna do shit. We got AJ Devontae. All we do is win and score big when they play. Eagles. What's my favorite word? Eagles. What's my favorite bird?
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Nana the Saucy Chef. Today I'm going to be making a meatball sub casserole. The ingredients that we're going to need today are 3 cups of your favorite marinara sauce, 1 pound of ground beef, 1 can of 8 biscuits, 2 cups of shredded mozzarella cheese, and you want to divide it, 1 egg, 1/4 cup of grated parmesan cheese, 1/3 cup of Italian-style panko breadcrumbs, 1 teaspoon of adobo all-purpose seasoning, 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, 1 teaspoon of onion powder, 1 teaspoon of Italian seasoning, 1/2 teaspoon of paprika, and 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper. The first thing we're going to do is get a small bowl. You're going to add in your pepper, paprika, onion powder, garlic powder, and your adobo all-purpose seasoning. And we're just going to mix it until it's well combined. Once you're done, you can set it to the side. Now you want to get a baking sheet and line it with aluminum foil. We're going to set our oven to 375 degrees. Now we're going to get our ground beef. We're going to add in our Parmesan cheese, our breadcrumbs, our egg, and also our seasoning. You just want to go in and you're going to mix it until it's well combined. Once it's well combined, you're going to go ahead and make 1-inch meatballs and place them onto your baking sheet. Okay guys, you should be able to make 25 meatballs. Now we're going to place them into our 375 degree oven for 20 minutes until they're fully cooked and golden brown. Our meatballs are now done, so we can go ahead and set them to the side. Now we're going to take our biscuits, and you want to cut them into 6 pieces. I'm going to do that for each biscuit. Now you want to place your biscuits into a large bowl. We're going to begin to add our meatballs into our bowl. Next, I'm going to add in 1 cup of our shredded mozzarella cheese, and now you can pour your marinara sauce in. Now we're going to mix it until it's well combined. Once it's well combined, you want to get a 9x13 baking dish. You want to spray it with some non-stick cooking spray. Now we're just going to pour our mixture into our baking dish. Once you have it in your baking dish, we're going to take our last cup of mozzarella cheese. You want to sprinkle it over top. And lastly, we're going to sprinkle on our Italian seasoning. Now you want to set your oven to 350 degrees. We're going to let it bake for 30 minutes. You want your cheese to be nice and melted. Okay guys, our meatball sub casserole is now done. So I'm going to let it cool off before I cut into it. Okay guys, so look how delicious this looks. It tastes amazing. This meatball sub casserole is great for game day. You guys need to give it a try. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please come back. Please like and subscribe. Thank you guys so much for watching. Feel free to leave a comment. Don't forget to hit the notification bell. And until next time, this is Nana, the Saucy Chef. Y'all hungry yet?
Thank you for following me.
Y'all hungry yet?